Hello, welcome back to How to Cook Great. Today I'm going to be making a chickpea curry. Let's get on with it. With 1 cup of tomatoes, 1 cup of onions, fresh chilli to taste, a tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, and what I always call the big 4, 1 teaspoon turmeric, chilli, coriander and cumin, along with 1 can of chickpeas that I've washed well. This is the backbone of what we're using today. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of oil. The oil is up to you what you want to use into my pan. I've got about 3 tablespoons there. We're going to drop in that 1 cup of onion. We're on an above medium heat. We're going to go for 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, they're starting to cook nicely. What we're going to do now is introduce our ginger garlic paste. That's a 50-50 mix of the two. Also, I'm going to add my fresh chili now. Now, I'm using quite a bit of fresh chili. You might not want this amount, so adjust that how you like. Before I forget, let's get a little bit of salt into the mix. Again, we're going to go for about another 3 minutes, giving it a stir every now and then. Okay, next up, what we're going to do is add our 1 cup of tomatoes. I've chopped them quite small. We're going to cook it until it kind of breaks down, so no big deal. Here's the spices, the big 4. 1 teaspoon chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander. If you don't have these separate spices, add 4 teaspoons of curry powder. We're going to cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes now. We want the tomatoes to really break down. So pop a lid on this now, come back in 5 minutes. So as you can see, the tomatoes have broken down and given off a little bit of moisture. What we're going to do now is introduce our chickpeas. This is a regular size can that I've got here, and if you're going to use from a can like me, give them a nice rinse through in some cold water first. And let's continue cooking this just for another 2 to 3 minutes. So still a little bit dry for me. I'm now going to add 200 ml of coconut milk. Give that a stir. Again, let's go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now that is looking really beautiful. We're done now, job done. All we're going to do now is add some fresh coriander, or as some of you call it, cilantro. I'm going to be a bit heavy-handed with it because I love it so much. We're going to give that a stir, check it for the salt level. It's done. It's absolutely beautiful. So there you go, a lovely, creamy, spicy chickpea curry. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love.